Here are 32 truths I know now that I wish I knew earlier in life. 1. Not everyone is able to do what they love. You do what is available to earn a living. Sometimes, life doesn't always align with our passions and desires, as pursuing one's passion isn't always feasible due to various constraints such as financial obligations or limited opportunities. While many aspire to pursue their dreams, practicalities often dictate that one must prioritize earning a living. This reality compels people to make pragmatic choices, and most times opting for employment opportunities that may not align with their deepest passions. Ultimately, necessity often dictates that individuals do what is available to sustain themselves financially, even if it means setting aside their ideal career paths. 2. Life doesn't follow a timeline and it's uncertain. In your 20s and 30s, sometimes it's easy to feel like you have your life figured out on how you want your life to be like at a certain age. However, life is inherently unpredictable and society often imposes timelines for milestones like career success, marriage, and children. However, life rarely adheres to these timelines, and comparing your journey to others can lead to unnecessary stress. No matter how much you plan and prepare, life is inherently uncertain. 3. Self-love is crucial. One of the most profound truths that often takes years to grasp is the importance of self-love. In your 20s, 30s, and even your 40s, you might spend a lot of time seeking validation from others, but ultimately, the most fulfilling validation comes from within. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a friend facing challenges, as this will allow you to navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease and resilience. 4. You can't please everyone. Trying to please everyone is an impossible task that often leads to frustration and burnout. Everyone has different expectations, preferences, and opinions, making it impossible to satisfy everyone simultaneously. Instead of seeking approval from others, focus on staying true to your values and priorities. Embrace the reality that not everyone will agree with or appreciate your choices, and that's perfectly okay. 5. Financial literacy is crucial. Money management is a skill that often gets overlooked in formal education. Understanding concepts like budgeting, saving, investing, debt management, and taxes early on can significantly impact your financial well-being in the long run. 6. Authenticity does not exist in the world today. In today's digital age, the internet provides a platform for anyone to portray themselves in a certain light, often blurring the lines between authenticity, relatability, and fabrication. However, the sheer volume of content and the ease of manipulation have blurred the lines of authenticity. While authenticity remains crucial for building genuine connections and trust, the prevalence of curated online personas challenges its existence. Individuals can manipulate their online presence to fit societal expectations or project an idealized image, making it difficult to discern genuine authenticity amid the digital noise. As you navigate online spaces, critical thinking and discernment are essential to sift through the vast sea of information and identify what truly resonates as authentic. 7. Celebrate your accomplishments. In a world that often focuses on what's next, it's important to pause and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. Acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small, and take pride in your progress. 8. Failure is a learning opportunity. It's inevitable and valuable. Failure is not a sign of weakness, but rather a stepping stone to growth and success. Instead of viewing it as a negative outcome, reframe it as a valuable learning opportunity. Each failure brings with it lessons that can inform and improve your future endeavors. 9. Hard work is necessary but not sufficient. While hard work is important, I've come to realize that it's equally crucial to work smart, leverage opportunities, and continually learn and adapt. Success often requires a combination of factors, including strategic planning, adaptability, networking, and seizing opportunities. While hard work forms the foundation, additional elements such as timing, luck, and external circumstances can also play significant roles in determining success. Simply working hard without direction or purpose may lead to burnout or limited progress, and combining hard work with smart decision-making maximizes the likelihood of achieving your desired outcomes. 10. Your health is your greatest asset. Without good health, it's challenging to enjoy any other aspect of life fully. Prioritize your physical and mental health through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management techniques. 11. Focus on what you can control. Focusing on what you can control involves directing your energy and attention towards aspects of life that you have the power to influence or change. By shifting your focus away from external factors beyond your control, such as other people's actions, unforeseen events, or your attitude, actions, and how you respond to challenges, you can maintain a sense of empowerment and agency. This mindset allows you to make proactive decisions, take meaningful action, and navigate challenges more effectively, and ultimately cultivating resilience and fostering a greater sense of inner peace and fulfillment. 12. A 9-5 job isn't perfect, but also starting a business isn't for everyone. Not everyone is suited for the challenges and responsibilities of entrepreneurship, as others thrive in structured environments. Starting a business requires significant dedication, risk-taking, and entrepreneurial skills, which not everyone possesses or desires to cultivate. So you should choose the path that aligns best with you and not listen to all the noises to quit your job just to fit with the trend. 13. Invest in relationships. Meaningful connections with others are essential for happiness and fulfillment. Meaningful relationships don't just happen. They require effort, communication, and compromise. Take the time to nurture your relationships with family, friends, and romantic partners, and prioritize quality time together. 14. Quality over quantity in relationships. It's better to have a few meaningful connections than a large network of superficial acquaintances. Invest your time and energy in relationships that bring value and fulfillment to your life. Also, whether it's friendships or romantic partnerships, authenticity is vital. Be true to yourself, communicate openly and honestly, and surround yourself with people who accept you for who you are. 15. Value your time. Value your time because it's your most precious and finite resource. Each moment you spend is a choice, so invest it wisely in activities and relationships that align with your priorities and goals. Recognize that time lost cannot be regained, so prioritize tasks that contribute to your personal and professional growth and well-being. Guard your time fiercely against distractions and obligations that don't serve your best interests. 16. Embrace solitude and having regular check-ins. Embracing solitude and regularly checking in with yourself allows for deeper self-reflection, fostering personal growth and inner peace. By spending time alone, you create space to reconnect with your thoughts, emotions, and aspirations, gaining clarity on your values and priorities. These moments of solitude, like taking 20 to 30 minutes walk in the morning or the evening by yourself a day or during the weekend, serve as invaluable opportunities to recharge, realign, and nurture a stronger sense of self-awareness and authenticity. 17. Self-care is non-negotiable. Taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being should always be a priority. Practice self-care rituals regularly, whether it's through exercise, meditation, hobbies, or simply taking time to rest. Nourish your mind, body, and soul regularly. 18. It's never too late to start something new. No matter your age or circumstances, embarking on a new journey is always within reach. Every moment presents an opportunity for growth and exploration. Whether it's learning a new skill, pursuing a passion, or making a significant life change, the only time it's too late is when you choose not to begin at all. Embrace the courage to start anew, and you'll find that the journey itself holds immense value and potential for personal fulfillment. 19. Practice gratitude. It will change how you view your life and how blessed you are. Practicing gratitude transforms your perspective, leading to a deeper appreciation for the blessings in your life. By focusing on what you're thankful for, even during challenging times, you cultivate a sense of abundance and contentment. For instance, recognizing the simple joys of everyday life, such as a beautiful sunset or a warm cup of coffee, can shift your mindset from one of scarcity to one of gratitude and fulfillment. 20. Invest in experiences, not just things. Material possessions may bring temporary pleasure, but experiences create lasting memories and personal growth. Prioritize spending your time and resources on experiences that enrich your life. 21. Take risks. Stepping out of your comfort zone and taking calculated risks is necessary for growth and success. Don't let fear of failure or rejection hold you back from seizing opportunities and pursuing your dreams. As it said, if one door closes, another one will open. And if that door doesn't open, then for sure, find a window to go through, because there will always be another way to be successful. 22. Listen more. No matter how successful you become, it's essential to stay humble and open-minded. There's always something new to learn from others, and listening more allows you to learn from the experiences and wisdom of others, providing valuable opportunities for personal and professional growth, and understanding different perspectives on a particular matter. 23. Set healthy boundaries that foster healthy relationships. Establishing and maintaining healthy boundaries is essential for maintaining your well-being and preserving your personal space. It involves clearly communicating your limits, needs, and expectations to others, thereby ensuring respect and mutual understanding in relationships. Learn to say no to things that don't align with your priorities or you are uncomfortable doing. 24. Investing in self-development pays dividends. Investing in self-development is like planting seeds in a garden. It requires time, effort, and nurturing. As you cultivate skills, knowledge, and personal growth, you're essentially enriching the soil for future success. Just as financial investments yield dividends over time, the dividends of self-development manifest as increased confidence, adaptability, and opportunities for personal and professional advancement. 25. Success is personal. Understanding that success is personal and that each individual is on their own journey is liberating because it frees you from comparing yourself to others. It allows you to define success on your own terms, based on your unique values, goals, and aspirations. What may constitute success for one person could be entirely different for another. Embracing this truth empowers you to focus on your own growth and progress without being swayed by external expectations or societal norms. 26. People care much more about themselves than they do about you. Realizing that people are primarily concerned with their own lives and experiences can be liberating. It means that the fear of judgment or scrutiny is often unfounded, as others are preoccupied with their own worries and ambitions. Understanding this truth earlier could have alleviated unnecessary anxiety and allowed for more authentic interactions, fostering empathy and deeper connections with others. 27. Don't take advice from someone who has yet to do what you want to do. Realizing this truth earlier would have saved me from countless instances of misguided counsel. It's essential to seek advice from people who have first-hand experience in the areas you're pursuing, as they offer invaluable insights and practical wisdom. Listening to family members or friends who have done whatever you are trying to do will just discourage you not to even starting or trying. 28. Not everyone is a morning person. Realizing that not everyone is a morning person is a liberating truth that I wish I had understood earlier. It's essential to recognize that people have different natural rhythms and energy levels throughout the day. Understanding this allows for more empathy and flexibility in scheduling tasks, meetings, and interactions, ultimately fostering better communication and collaboration with others. 29. It's great having multiple streams of income, but it's much reward to first successive in one venture and then expand from there. Having multiple streams of income offers financial security and flexibility, but focusing on mastering one venture initially can lead to greater success. By dedicating your time and energy to one endeavor, you can fully develop your skills, establish a solid foundation, and build a strong reputation within that industry. Once you've achieved success in your primary venture, you can then leverage your expertise and resources to expand into additional streams of income with confidence and efficiency. 30. Not all your work colleagues are your friends. Realizing that not all your work colleagues are your friends is an important truth that can save you from potential disappointments and misunderstandings. While camaraderie and teamwork are essential in a professional setting, it's crucial to maintain boundaries and recognize that not everyone shares your personal values or intentions. Building positive relationships at work is valuable, but understanding that professional interactions don't always translate to genuine friendships can help manage expectations and foster healthier dynamics in the workplace. 31. News stations love to feed the public with negativity. News stations often prioritize sensationalism and negativity to attract viewership and drive engagement, creating a skewed perception of reality. Consuming excessive negative news can foster anxiety, fear, and a sense of hopelessness, overshadowing the many positive aspects of life. Now, I rarely watch the news, and if I do, is once in every week or after 4 working days. 32. Life is what you make it. Ultimately, I've learned that life is shaped by my choices, actions, and mindset. Embracing agency and taking ownership of my path empowers me to create a life aligned with my values, aspirations, and dreams.